A man from Fort Wayne accused of videotaping up women's skirts is charged with voyeurism today, but will that charge stick? Hello, I'm Mark Mellinger.
And I'm Heather Herron. Tonight, two Indiana prosecutors are split on how they interpret Indiana's current voyeurism law. News Channel 15's Aisha Husney has been digging into this story, and she joins us live from News Control to break it down for us. Aisha?
That's right, Mark and Heather. It all comes down to this. This is the voyeurism statute from the current Indiana law code. And basically today, the Marion County prosecutor read this to say that taking any upskirt pictures or video here in Indiana is against the law. Now, because of that interpretation, 40-year-old David Dekalb was charged with 7 counts of voyeurism. The Fort Wayne man was arrested at an Indianapolis mall this weekend, where police say he was taking videos of women up their skirts with a shoe camera. The same statute is interpreted differently by another Indiana prosecutor. You may remember last year, an Ashley, Indiana man was arrested for taking upskirt pictures of women with his cell phone. Now, he was not charged with voyeurism. The Dekalb County prosecutor back then said she could not charge him because the case was not illegal under Indiana law. The split has really confused many of our viewers, especially those involved.
I'm wondering which is right and which is wrong between the two different cases, I guess, and what's similar and what's the difference between them, how he can be charged and the other guy cannot be charged.
Now, I spoke to both prosecutors today on the phone, and they both are strongly defending each of their own decisions. The Marion County prosecutor reads a statute to cover anyone who simply peeps. On the other hand, the Dekalb County prosecutor reads further down the statute to cover anyone who peeps into an area where an occupant of the area reasonably can be expected to disrobe. And according to her, that does not include a mall or video store. And I also asked the Dekalb County prosecutor if she thinks the recent voyeurism charges in the Indianapolis case will stick. Will they work? And she basically told me she thought that if they could work, then she would have pressed those same charges last year. Now, we will just have to wait and see. Ultimately, it will be up to a judge to decide which one is right, which prosecutor is right. And Dekalb's first trial date is set for May 12th. I'm Aisha Husney reporting live from News Control, News Channel 15.